Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across a Windows Update component error on your Windows computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving it without too much of a hassle. So first thing I would suggest would be to go ahead, if you're on Windows 10, open up the Start menu, type in troubleshoot. If you're on Windows 7 or Windows 8, go ahead and select the link in the description of my video for the Windows Update Troubleshooter from Microsoft's website. In Windows 10, it is built directly into the operating system, hence why we are going through the Start menu at this time. So best match to come back will Troubleshoot Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Underneath Get Up and Running, I'm going to scroll down until I find Windows Update, resolve prompts that prevent you from updating Windows, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. So once troubleshooting has completed, if it detected any issues, hopefully it would have been able to resolve them. So click on close. But to just restart your computer and hopefully that's been able to resolve the problem. Otherwise, another thing you can try would be to open up the Start menu, type in Windows PowerShell. Best match to come back with Windows PowerShell right above App. Go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now into this Elevate command line window, you want to type in wuauclt.exe space /updatenow, exactly as it appears on my screen, and then you want to hit enter on your keyboard to run that. Once you're done with that, go ahead and restart your computer, and again, hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. Another thing, open up the Start menu, type in Services. Best managed to come back with Services. Go ahead and left click on that. Now, the first service you want to look for is the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So go ahead and double click on that. Make sure startup type is set to automatic or automatic delayed start. If service status is stopped, you want to click on the Start button and then select Apply and OK. Do the same thing now for the Windows Update service. So scroll down. Right here, double click on that. Again, make sure it's running and startup type either is automatic or automatic delayed start. One and the same, pretty much. So click on OK, close out of here. Restart your computer, and hopefully that would have been able to address your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.